James says, hope you are well. Can you recommend any decent link indexing services? Many thanks. Yeah, I use 2, well, 3 really. They're all listed here as a matter of fact. Let me show you. Right there. Index. I use booster pages for RSS feed indexing. So like if you've got a blog with an RSS feed, this is a great service for automatic, like I use it as an indexer, that's it. That's not how it was sold by Damon Nelson. He sold it as a link building service. I don't consider it a link building service. I consider it an indexing service. Excuse me. And you can feed URLs to be indexed via RSS. So I set that up for blogs. Once I publish a blog, I take the RSS feed from the blog and I submit it to booster pages, and that's it. That's an automatic index. I don't have to touch it ever again. I just publish posts and they automatically go out across the booster pages network. Another one that I use consistently is speed-links.net. If you're going to buy this one, you want to use the VIP service for indexing, not the regular plans. You want to use the VIP plans. So I use this one a lot, and then there's one other one I use, which is Omega Indexer. See if I can get back over there. And Omega Indexer, this is also a good one. It's very inexpensive, and I like this one because it's pay as you go. You can have a monthly plan, but you can also just buy credits. This one has monthly plans. I've got, I think, three subscriptions for this one. I don't know. Anyways, we use these 2 the most. And in booster pages for blogs. And then lastly, there's another one that's owned by the same company as Omega Indexer. Try this again. It's this one. This is a web crawling service. This is not an indexing service, but it's called CoLinkry, and it's the same company as Omega Indexer. Guys, do you understand that the links don't have to be indexed to produce a result? They just need to be crawled. Certainly, links that are indexed typically provide a better result, but do you understand that not all page URLs that contain a contextual link pointing to whatever assets we're trying to rank need to be indexed for them to provide SEO benefit. They just need to be crawled. I've done a lot of testing with this. Like even de-indexed sites can produce a positive ranking effect. I'm not saying you should be building links for de-indexed sites, by the way. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it can still produce a positive ranking benefit because of the link equity. And so I'm just saying that, CoLinkry is a very inexpensive way. If you've got a lot of mass link indexing that you're trying to do, this is a great service because it's so much cheaper than indexing services. Look how many links you can submit per month for $49. And so things like if those of you guys that are doing like cloud stacks, which have dozens of pages in the stack, I don't do those. What I call a cloud stack is a cloud page with 2 semantic links pointing to it. That's what I call a cloud stack. But a lot of people that do mass page kind of cloud stacks or mass page sites or use link building tools that do mass spam or high volume spam links and kind of stuff like that, CoLinkry is a great service for that because it'll get them crawled. It doesn't mean they're going to index, but as long as Google's aware of it, it can produce a benefit, right? But speedlinks-net, Omega Indexer, CoLinkry, and in booster pages for any blogs that have an RSS feed. Those are the ones that I use. Good question.